So theorem 6.6, the ratio, that means division, the ratio of the area of two similar triangle, the ratio of the area of two similar triangle is equal to the square, this is the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. જે બી કોરસ્પોન્ડિંગ સાઈડ હોય એના રેશિયાનો સ્ક્વેર કરો તો તમને બંને ટ્રાયંગલના એરિયાનો રેશિયો મળી જશે. બરાબર છે. તો આ થિયરમ 6.6 કે. Now exercise 6.4, question 1. Triangle ABC, triangle DEF is similar, is given in a question, and their areas be respectively 64 semi-square and 121 semi-square. Areas of these two similar triangles is given. EF is 15.4. What is the value of BC? So here two triangles are similar, which is given in a question. If it is not given, then you have to prove it before you use this formula. So here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to ratio of two corresponding side, BC and EF. They are corresponding side, so I will take the ratio of two corresponding sides and then square. Okay, so area of ABC is 64, area of DEF is 121, BC is not given, EF is 15.4 and then square. Okay, when you write something before the equal to sign, you should write therefore sign. Here square, I want to find out BC, that means this square should be removed and 15.4 is also removed from here. So first of all power position will be changed, so this square transfer to left side, it will be square root. Square should be replaced by square root. Okay, so the square root of 64 upon 121 is equal to BC upon 15.4. So square root of 64, it is 8, and square root of 121, it is 11. I want to find out BC, which is in the numerator. BC is in the numerator, so position of BC should not be changed. So the denominator 15.4 will be multiplied with 8 because it is in the denominator. Now it will be in the numerator. 11 1 11, 15 minus 11, it is 4, and then it is 4, 44. So 11 4 za 44. Now 14 8 za 112, and there is one digit after a decimal point, so answer will be your 11.2, which is your BC. Okay, but an area is given in semi square, that means the side will be in centimeter unit. Okay, there is one formula about perimeter. So perimeter of triangle ABC upon perimeter of triangle PQR. So when the ratio of the perimeter of two triangles, these two triangles must be similar, then answer is ratio of two corresponding side. Here square should not be written. Okay, AB upon PQ or BC upon QR or AC upon PR. So when perimeter will come, then AB upon PQ, only corresponding side. But when you use the area formula, area of ABC upon area of PQR, then ratio of corresponding side and then square. So what is the difference between these two formula? In perimeter square will not come, in area square will come. There is one concept in question number 5. Here triangle ABC is given. D is a midpoint of AB, E is a midpoint of BC, F is a midpoint of AC. You join these 3 points, you will get one triangle DEF. Again, DEF are midpoints of AB, BC and AC respectively. So triangle ABC, main triangle is ABC, which is divided in 4 triangles. One triangle is ADF, second is DEF, third one is DEB triangle, and fourth triangle is FEC. So what is the important rule? All these 4 triangles have same areas. Triangle ADF area, area of triangle DEF, area of triangle DEB and area of triangle FEC. All triangles have same areas. Okay. So if the area of triangle ABC is 40, area of triangle ABC is 40, then area of triangle DEF, area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 4 area of main triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is 40, then 40 divided by 4, you will get 10. So area of this triangle is 10, area of this one is also 10, area of this triangle is also 10, and area of FEC triangle is also 10. Okay, so it's an important rule. Again, second important topic. Suppose D is a midpoint of BC. If you join AD, then AD will be a median. AD is a median, A is a vertex and D is a midpoint of BC. So when you join AD, it will known as median. Okay. So now this triangle ABC is divided into 2 equal triangles. One triangle is ADB and second triangle is ADC. So here the area of triangle ADB and area of triangle ADC both are equal. Okay. So suppose area of triangle ABC is 20. Then what is the area of ADB? It will be 10. Area of triangle ADC is also 10. So what is your rule? Area of ADB and area of ADC both are equal, but they are half of main triangle ABC. Okay, so when median is drawn, main triangle is divided into 2 equal triangles whose areas are equal. So area of this triangle and area of this triangle both are equal. Question number 8. ABC and BDE are 2 equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle, that means all 3 sides are equal and all 3 angles are equal. That is equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle is always equiangular triangle. Equiangular, that means all angles are equal. Equilateral, that means all sides are same. So triangle ABC and triangle BDE, ABC and BDE, that means B is common in both the triangles. So ABC and BDE are 2 equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. So this is BC and D is a midpoint. Okay. So second triangle is our BDE. This triangle should be drawn in such a way that it must be clearly shown that BD, DE and BE all 3 sides will be equal. આ ત્રણેય સાઈડ એક સરખી લાગવી જોઈએ, દેખાવમાં બી લાગવી જોઈએ. Okay, and triangle ABC, all 3 sides are also equal. Okay, ratio of the areas of triangles ABC and BDE is dash. What I want to find out? Ratio of the area of triangle ABC and triangle BDE. I want to find out. So suppose ABC have same sides. Suppose it is 10. Suppose it is 10. Then BD will be 5. Why? Because D is a midpoint of BC. That means BD is half of BC. So BC is 10. Then BD will be 5. I want to find out the ratio of the area of these two triangles. So ratio of area is equal to ratio of the corresponding side and then its square. Area છે, that means you have to write square. So AB is 10 and BD is 5. Take square. 10 upon 5, it is 2. 5 2s are 10. So square of 2, it is 4. Nothing in the denominator, that means it is 1. So area of ABC upon area of BD is equal to 4 upon 1. That means ratio is 4:1. This signs represents is2. It is says as is2. Okay. Sides. Question number 9. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Areas of these triangles are in the ratio dash. આ બે ટ્રાયંગલ છે, આ બંને ટ્રાયંગલનો ના એરિયાનો રેશિયો શું? I want to find out the ratio of the area of these two triangles. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR I want to find out, and it is equal to ratio of corresponding side and then square. Area, that means square. But AB upon PQ is given in a question, that is 4/9. Corresponding side ratio is given 4:9. So square of 4, it is 16. Square of 9, it is 81. So the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to 16 upon 81. Okay. So ratio is ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is 16:81. Okay, now theorem 6.7. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, here triangle ABC is a right triangle. Perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle. This triangle is a right triangle, angle B is a right angle. From this right angle you have to draw perpendicular. Perpendicular, that means it creates 90 degree with the hypotenuse. This is a perpendicular which is BM and it is on AC. AC is a hypotenuse because angle B is a right angle. So opposite side of right angle is hypotenuse. So BM is a altitude. Then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular. This is a perpendicular. So two triangles. One triangle is AMB and second triangle is BMC. These two triangles are similar to the whole triangle. One triangle is AMB, second triangle is BMC. These two triangles are similar to the whole triangle. Whole triangle is ABC. That is your main triangle. So triangle ABC should be written in a second position. So these two triangles are similar with the whole triangle and these two triangles are similar to each other. Triangle AMB and triangle BMC are also similar. Okay, This is theorem 6.7. Theorem 6.7 leads to some interesting results, which is known as corollaries. Two triangles are similar, AMB and ABC. Now important matter, please be alert, it's a difficult task for you. Here in both the triangles, AB is a common alphabet. AB is common alphabet. These two triangles are similar. Okay, so when two triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So AB is first and third position. So here first and third position is AC. So corresponding side is AB and AC. I have taken ratio. Now here AB is in first and second position. So in this first second position is your AM. So AM upon AB. Be alert, these two sides are of first triangle and the denominator sides are from second triangle. Again I repeat, numerator sides is written of first triangle and denominator sides is of your second triangle. Now I will take cross multiply. So AB multiply AB, you will get AB square, and AC multiply AM, or you can write AM into AC. So this is a one of the formula which is important for sum, AB square. You can recall from this AB square. AB square, square of this is equal to AM into AC. AB is connected with AM and AC. So AB square is equal to AM into AC. So from first, okay. Second, triangle BMC is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle BMC is similar to triangle ABC. Here in these two triangles, BC is a same alphabet. BC is a same alphabet. So these two triangles are similar. That means corresponding sides ratio will be same. So BC is first and third position. So here first and third position is AC. So BC upon AC is equal to, here BC is last two position. So here last two position is MC. So MC upon BC. Again this two numerator side is from first triangle and these two denominator sides is from second triangle. Okay, now take the cross multiply. BC with BC multiply BC, it will be BC square, and AC multiply with MC. So MC into AC, it is your BC square. Okay, you can remember from this figure also, BC square, square of this side is equal to CM multiply AC. BC square is equal to CM multiply AC. Now from third, triangle triangle AMB similar to triangle BMC. These two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Here the common alphabet is, common alphabet is, there is nothing common alphabet. Yeah, yes, there is common alphabet, which is BM. BM is common in both the triangles. So MB second third position. So here second third position is MC. So MB upon MC. Here BM is first and second position. So first and second position is AM. So AM upon BM. Now this MB is multiply with MB. MB is multiply with MB. It will be MB square or BM square. And take cross multiply of AM and MC. So this is your third formula. BM square is equal to AM multiply MC. BM square is equal to AM multiply MC. First formula is AB square is equal to AM into AC. Second formula, BC square is equal to CM into AC. Third formula, BM square is equal to AM into MC.